My topic is methods of measuring national income. The question is, what is national income? Discuss the different methods of national income. First, I would like to start with the definition of national income. National income is an uncertain term which is used interchangeably with the national dividend, national output, and national expenditure. On the basis of national income has been defined the number of ways in common parallelences. National income is the total value of goods and services produced annually in a country. In other words, or say in the simple way, the total amount of income accruing to a country from economic activity in years' time is known as national income. It includes payments made to all resources in the form of wages, interest, and profit. There are three major ways of calculating national income. The first we are going to start with is product method. In this method, the value of all goods and services produced in different industry during the year is added up. This is also known as the value added method to GDP or GDP at factor cost by industry of origin. The following items are included in India in this: agriculture and allied services, mining, manufacturing, construction, electricity, gas and water supply, transport, communication and trade, banking and insurance, real estates and ownership of dwellings and business services, and public administration and defense and other services or government services. In other words, it is the sum of gross value added. Aggregate of the value added of all sectors in the economy used during the year is called national income by product method or net national product. Only the value of final good is to be excluded, otherwise there is a problem of double counting. The formula to calculate the national product method is we minus intermediate consumption from the value of output. To calculate value of output, we sum up sales plus change in stock, and to calculate change in stock, we minus opening stock from closing stock. Net national product at factor cost. To calculate this, we have to use this formula: gross domestic product at market price minus consumption of fixed capital plus net factor income from abroad minus net indirect tax. The second formula to calculate, or say the second method to calculate national income is income method. According to this method, the net income payments received by all citizens of a country in a particular year are added up. That is, national incomes that accrue to all factors of production by ways of net rent, net wages, net interest, and net profits are all added together, but incomes received in the form of transfer payments are not included in it. The data pertaining to income are obtained from different sources, for instance, from income tax department in respect of high income group, and in case of workers from their wage bills. Types of incomes: labor income, capital income, it includes dividend, pre-tax, retained earning, etc. Mixed income, earning from professional, farming enterprises, etc. These components of incomes are added up together to get national income. Under this method, income is measured as a flow of factor income. Formula of income method to calculate national income is: first we have to get national domestic product at factor cost, compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income of self-employed. To calculate operating surplus, we have to add rent and royalties, interest and profit, and then we have to add these all three to get a national domestic product at factor cost. To get net national product at factor cost, we have to add net factor income from abroad in national domestic product at factor cost. The last and the third method is expenditure method. According to this method, the total expenditure method incurred by the society in a particular year is added together and includes personal consumption expenditure, net domestic investment, government expenditure on goods and services, and net foreign investment. This concept is based on the assumption that national income equals national expenditure. Components of expenditure methods are these: CIGXM. C stands for household spending, I stands for non-domestic investment spending, G stands for general government spending, X stands for services, exports of goods and services, M stands for imports of goods and services. expenditure in personal consumption expenditure, net domestic government expenditure of goods and services, and exports minus imports. This is the formula to calculate expenditure, national income through expenditure method.